gonna tell you all about the green screen. So can you see this green screen that I have behind me? Well, I can pretend I'm in Mexico. See? I added some music and I used the green screen to make it look like I'm any place in the world. So let's say, I'm in this lovely place. Let's go to the plane and then let's go to Mexico. So that is basically the stuff that you use for a green screen. Now, you don't want to stand too close or else it will cast a shadow and then it probably won't pick it up or it might show. So you want to try stay as close as the camera as possible. If I do this and say I'm in Mexico, it doesn't look really realistic. So you have to stand in front of the camera. So I hope these tips will help to you for your next green screen video, and bye. See you in the next one.